Hi, my name is Steve. Welcome to my shop. We have a special guest with us tonight, and this is
Cameron.
Cameron? And what are we going to build?
We're going to build my toolbox.
Okay. And you're going to do a lot of work, so hold up
Yeah.
your fingers, hold up your hands. How many fingers and thumbs do you have?
I got 4 fingers and I got 2 thumbs.
4 fingers and 2 thumbs? Count again.
Oh, 10 fingers and 2
10
thumbs.
fingers and 2 thumbs?
Oh my goodness.
Okay, well, count them again. You got 8 fingers,
8
right,
fingers.
and 2 thumbs. Okay, and when we're done, we're going to have 8 fingers and 2 thumbs.
Yeah,
And we're going to have 2 eyes and 2 ears.
I know that. We already do.
Okay, so we're going to keep them that way too. And we're going to do that by following safety rules, keeping our hands out of things that cut wood, wear safety glasses, and what else?
Wear your ear protectors like
Ear
this.
protection, okay.
Like this.
Alright, so let's get started with this toolbox.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right. We need to sand after this. So this is the bottom, and these are the 2 sides. Do you think they're too tall? Because this is how deep the box is going to be.
No. What about the sides? No, these
We'll
sides.
we'll probably do those tomorrow.
Now it's time for sanding.
That's right. Now it's time for sanding. Once it starts fading, just let it go. Let it go. Put it down on the workpiece and just squeeze it. If you're putting too much on there, we'll get a lot of squeeze out there. Okay, just put the tip down on it and drag it along. Now you don't have enough there. Put some more.
There.
Yeah, just move it. Yeah, good.
Now.
Now get it flush on the ends. We got it flush on the ends.
Yup.
All right, now we're going to clamp it. So you remember how sharp you clamp? Here, let's get it. Other way.
Can I say bye-bye? We're going to see you tomorrow.
I think you just did. Go ahead, say it.
Bye-bye, we'll see you tomorrow. Because we're going to fix it tomorrow. Like, we're going to make the whole thing tomorrow after VBS.
Yep.
We're just going to put the sides on and make the handle and buy some tools. And then we're going to be...
We're going to buy tools too?
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Bye-bye, we'll see you tomorrow.
Camera's on.
Okay.
All right, let's take them off. Take the clamps off.
Hello, so we're back again like last night.
Yeah, we're back again.
I got it. Whoops. Got it.
Don't hold it vertical like that. Hold it at an angle. Here. Hold it plane like that.
It kind of tickles when I do that.
It does. All right, so you're feeling for the corner, and then now you knock off that sharp corner. So we need to do that to all these corners.
I did it!
Yeah, you need to do that one some more.
Can I try that now?
You can.
Let me go.
Here, let me hold it. Very good. Let's look at the different options that I was thinking about for the, and I'm looking at this from the end. I was thinking we can do that. Make an end that looks like that, and the handle would be that way. Or we could make something that looks like that with the handle there. Which one do you want?
Can I circle it? Can I circle one like...
Which shape do you like better? You like that one better? Okay.
I don't really do circles that well.
You don't?
Not
Okay.
that well.
Well, that's all right.
I know.
Here, just hold it up here. Hold it up here. And then turn it around. Okay, that's one circle. Now let's make another one. Be careful with that point. Hold on, wait till I get set before you do anything.
Are you set?
Yes. Do it back here a little more. Okay. That's enough. Just enough to, because you don't want to dent your handle, do you?
Huh?
You don't want to dent your handle.
Dent?
Dent the handle. This is the handle for your toolbox.
Okay, what are we going to use to cut it?
A saw.
A saw.
Yeah.
Where are the saws, by the way?
Hang on, I'll get it.
I know where to. I can handle a saw
don't
the way
you
I
know?
can use it.
Okay.
What, that saw?
Yeah. no,
My
okay.
hands are getting sweaty.
Well, that's, what are you doing?
Guess what?
I'm tightening it.
All right.
Happy.
Pull that out.
Try that.
Here, let me show you how it works first. This is a pull saw, so it only cuts on the saw stroke. When you pull back this way. You can finish it, but do not, Abby, hold on. Here, you stand over here. You help me. Cut it straight, don't bend it.
Okay.
Keep going. A full length of the blade. Pull it up. Finish the cut. Well, you broke a few teeth. But hey, it is what it is. Loosen it. That tightens it. The other way loosens it. Alright. There you go.
My tongue was kind of drying up, so I like it.
Okay, so let's see how it goes. See how this looks.
Oh, that's really hard to pull in.
Well, we want it kind of tight.
Did you find something to play
Hey,
with?
Nana. Nana. Papa made some Star Lord blasters for me.
Oh, good.
Star Wars blaster.
Star Lord, not Star Wars.
Don't put them up for now so Abby doesn't get hurt with them.
Hey, that looks really good.
You can put all the way in here.
We need to glue it. That's it.
Hold on.
Oh,
Are you working?
we're gonna put this down here. Oh, so we're putting this down here.
Yeah.
So that's why we need space.
What?
Whoa. These are a little
Yeah.
heavy. 2008.
Are you being a ham too?
0.
All right. Well, let's get the camera on. Find the 2, 0, 1, and 7.
2, 0.
All right. Here's the 2. No.
Look,
All right,
1.
here's what you're going to do. You're going to take this. First thing is 2. So we're going to do this, and I'll show you the one. You can do the others.
Abby
So
tried
it's
the
stamped a 2 in there. Now, here's the 0. Do it again. Okay? And
Turn it the other way.
hold on. Okay. No, don't do it that way. If you hold it out here, it works better.
7.
Hold on. Okay, don't hit my thumb. Hit it again. Okay. Okay.
This way.
The other way.
Yay!
Are we
Got
ready?
it.
Ready to leave?
It's really tight.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's supposed to be really tight because it's called clamps. That's why it's super tight.
Bye-bye. Are you done?
Just stay here with Papa.
Which way? This way?
Yep.
Got it. That hurts my hand.
Well,
Look at
it's
this.
just part of working.
It's pretty heavy.
Which way?
The clamps make it heavy. Easy, buddy.
All right. Think you can handle that one?
Yep.
Or would you rather have the corded one?
The quarter one.
The corded one's over here.
Is it light?
Nope.
It's heavy?
No, Abby.
Actually, I think it's lighter than that one.
Yeah, I think it's lighter than that one too.
No.
Okay, so we'll use that one.
Can I pull the trigger?
What's
You
not?
can pull the trigger, but it's not plugged in. I think you can work this one.
Yep. And can
You
I
want to work this too?
can I have that one?
No.
No, you can't have that one.
I thought you were looking for that for me.
No. Did you
No.
Papa?
It looks like you're far away.
All right, say goodbye till later.
Go over there.
Goodbye. We'll see you in a little later. After ice cream, I think.
After ice cream, you think?
I
Okay.
don't know. We're back again.
Yeah, you can undo the clamps. Be careful, when these things are heavy. Okay, hold on. Now, one of the things we need to make sure that we don't go off that direction or that direction. We just want to go as straight in as possible. So go ahead. Push back, slow down. Okay, let's do another one. The further you pull the trigger back, the faster it goes. So, hold on. Okay. Faster. When you hear that tone sound, that, it won't go in any further. So grab another one.
I already got another one.
Okay. Put it in the hole. The other side, which side? I think you're there. Think you're there on that one. Hi. Yeah. You're there. Remember, 45-degree angle.
Can I take off these glasses?
Yes. Now, do the closing comments.
We'll see you next time we make a different thing. But we're gonna see you next time. Bye.
That was pretty good. Thanks. that's a rip blade that's on there now because it goes against it goes with the grain. When you go across the grain, see this is with the grain this way.
It's not smooth.
Well, we'll smooth it out because I got a sander over there. All right. What's it say? What did it say?
Yes or no?
What is it? Yeah, I know, but what does that say?
Chip flap open.
And what's this other one say?
Saw blade
Re-
replace.
That's right. So then it's asking you, did you replace the saw blade?
Yes.
Okay.
Pew, 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 pew. Can you turn it around so I can see myself?
Okay, it's on.